Good morning, everyone. I can't hear you. That's better. Welcome to our Year 2 assembly. This term, we've been learning all about travel and cultures in our IPCU.
Have you ever thought about why you travel and how it can help you understand other communities and places? We have been working in groups using our social and communication skills to explore all of the places we travel to in Singapore.
Using our agency, we chose some of our favourite places that we can travel to with our friends and family.
We then use our thinking skills to create an assembly all about Singapore and the wonderful places we can learn from.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Sun change in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I can get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know that I'll be right at your
Our story begins on a sunny day as a group of excited children and adults board a busy Singapore bus ready to start their day. And here we are at the Singapore Botanic Gardens. Enjoy your adventure. Thank you, driver. Right, everyone. Hats on, bottles ready. Let's meet our guide. Welcome to the Botanic Gardens. Today we're visiting the Healing Garden. Are you all ready? Yes! Whoa, what's this plant? This is lemongrass. It helps with fevers and smells amazing. Want to try? No! It smells like lemon sweet. It's beautiful. Can we grow some at school? Great idea. We'll talk to our gardener. Now let's go for a walk. Look over there by the pond. I see turtles on sunbathing. And otters. Those are airplanes. You're lucky to spot them. They're some of our garden's favorite visitors. Let's head back to the bus. What a fantastic first stop. And here we are, the Museum of Ice Cream. Please make sure you have all your things, no access behind. Thank you, driver. Right, everyone. Let's remember our museum manners. No running, listen with ears on, and most importantly, have fun. Yes, teacher. I got your tickets. One for you, and you. Who's ready for ice cream? Me, it was so hot at Botanic Garden. strawberry with sprinkles and marshmallows.
And gummy bears too.
Alright, so now that we've cooled down, let's explore the museum. Where shall we go first?
The rainbow tunnel, let's This tunnel's magical.
Alright, so let's thank the museum team and get back on the bus and head to our next exciting stop.
Now we arrived at historical Chinatown. Enjoy! Alright everyone, welcome to our beautiful Chinatown. Our first stop is the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. Let's keep our voices low. It's a special place. Look at that tall red building. Isn't it amazing? It looks like a flower. It smells like incense and peace. Look, there's a giant Buddha statue inside. That's right, that statue reminds people to be kind and thoughtful. And look, there are even tiny golden Buddhas all lined up. This place makes me reflect. Let's take one group photo before we head up to our next stop. Say cheese! Last stop, the Singapore Flyer. Enjoy your ride. Welcome to the Singapore Flyer, everyone. Make sure you stay in the center when we start going up.
Here we go. Look how slowly and smoothly it's going. Perfect for a nice view. Whoa, we're getting really high. It's so cool but also a little scary. Let's see what we can spot.
I can see Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Look, it's the one with the ship on top.
If you look really far, you can see Sentosa Island. I see the Merlion down below. It's so tiny from up.
You can really see how green Singapore is. So much trees, plants, and other types of greenery. We're nearly at the bottom. Let's head back to the bus.
Not all children travel to and from school by public bus.
Some of us walk, some of us take car rides, and others hop on the MRT.
We all have different ways of exploring Singapore.
Let's board the MRT together to learn more about our amazing Singapore. Next station, Holland Village. Doors will open on your right. Look at all the colorful shops and cafes. This is the place where people come to enjoy food and spend time with their family.
Holland Village is home to a lot of colorful hookah stuff. Satay is grilled meat with yummy peanut sauce, and cod cakes is sweet and crispy. Two listed sweets that show how Singapore mixes flavors from different cultures.
Ready for the next stop in Singapore? Come on, mummies and daddies, I can't hear you. Ready for the next stop in Singapore? Wow, look at the beautiful golden temple. This is where people come to pray, share food, and celebrate. A temple is where we learn about belief and how people from all backgrounds come together to help and care for each other. Visiting places of worship teaches people about the importance of community, kindness, and respect, no matter where we come from. Ready for the next stop in Singapore? Boys and girls, I can't hear you. Ready for the next stop? Next station, Clark Quay. Doors will open on the left. Look at the river. Singapore's history started here. This is where people lived and lived by the water. And there's the merlion. It's Singapore's symbol, a mix of a lion and a fish. The lion represents Singapore's name, Singapore, Lion City. The fish represents its roots as a trading port. People still come to Clark Quay today to eat, celebrate, and enjoy the river. It's a place where history and fun come together. Ready for the final stop in Singapore? Wow, Singapore Sports Hub. This place is huge. People from all over the world come here to play sports and watch events. It's a place where everyone to enjoy sports and see big events in National Library. The stadium is not just where we play sports, it's where we learn, cheer, and have fun as a country. We hope you enjoyed learning about Singapore and how travel brings communities together. We love sharing our journey with you.